Hey, what's up guys? This is Sohan and you're watching your Technical Spark channel. Friends, in Sophos XDR series, today I am going to showcase how to open technical case with Sophos Support team. The process is very simple guys. Okay, when you launch your Sophos Central console, then here you simply have to click on your question mark, which is a help center, and here is one option, create support case. Simply click on that. Right now I'm not licensed because I'm not a paid user, because I'm using trial version, so that's the reason I'm not allowed. But let me show you how exactly you can create the case and which type of option you will get. So guys, whenever you will go to the support section page, right, this type of option you will see. Okay, so under the severity, you have to define the severity of your case. Okay, whether this is a high, low, critical, like this way. Then preferred team. So as per your type of licenses and support level, you will be provided with the appropriate options. Then subject line, like what is the issue you are facing. Okay, so that is something which you can write it down here in the very short. Then description. So description, here you will have to elaborate your exact issue. Okay, as well as it's always better to mention the steps which you have already taken, so that when support team review the things, okay, they will understand issue better, that what is the issue and what are the things you already tried but that didn't work, so that accordingly when the support team review your case, they will be able to help you with the appropriate solution. Then product category, whether it's an endpoint security, whatever it is. Okay, so you have to select the appropriate option and then click on continue. Once that is done guys, then you will be provided with multiple options related to your issue. So whatever the subject line and description you have entered, basis on that, suppose populate some random articles. Okay, so if you want, you can review those and it might help you to address your concern. If not, then click on continue. Then here is some again additional information. Okay, so this is type kind of a firewall ticket request overview. So you are getting this much of option, but yeah, all the information which is available here you have to fill, and some of the questions have marked with a star, so that has to be filled guys. You cannot keep this as a empty. And once all details are submitted, then your case will get created. And after this guys, if you want, you can submit the logs as well, okay, from your endpoint or whatever it is. Okay, so that it will be easier for support team to analyze those and pinpoint what exactly the issue is. And this is how you will get the very quick response from the support team with directly mentioning your resolution or the next action plan which you have to perform. So always follow these best practices so that your issue will get resolved very much quickly and you can avoid long conversation. So hopefully guys, now how to create case with the Sophos Central team, that particular things has been clear with this video. And if you found this video useful, then please click on the like button and don't forget to share and subscribe. This is Sohan signing out. I'll catch you in the next amazing video. Till then, bye bye.